Do you want to bake some pan, toast bread, or roast chicken in the fastest way possible but still have your food cooked evenly? Well, a convection toaster oven might be the excellent solution to that. Usually, traditional ovens are thermal bake, and the heat that circulates through the kitchen stuff comes from the heating elements placed on the top and bottom parts of the oven, and that could result in unevenly cooked food. So a convection toaster is a great way to ease on that struggle. A convection toaster oven offers an inbuilt fan that'll help your meals and snacks be evenly cooked. And not just that, it's the kind of toaster oven that you can cook faster and easier with than a more standard one. So in this video, we'll help you choose the perfect one for your kitchen at home, as we've wrapped up the 5 best convection toaster ovens from the market. So if you're excited to know more, then let's get started. First on our list is the Oster Convection Toaster Oven. You can cook your food faster than ever before with this toaster oven that offers turbo convection heat technology. You can speed up the cooking process and brown the food more consistently, so you can be confident when serving the food. The Oster Convection Toaster Oven has an independent dial control that you can freely regulate to adjust the temperature, choose cooking functions, and set the timer. And with this, you can select the ideal settings for the food that you're going to cook. When it comes to its design, the interior has a wide space that's enough to make a family-sized pizza. It has 3 adjustable oven rack settings that can accommodate various foods, especially those larger ones. It also features a broil rack and baking tray that can provide you the flexibility that you need to make and prepare a wide selection of snacks and meals. Plus, the removable crumb tray makes it easy to clean up, so you can use it every day. This stylish stainless steel toaster oven from Oster can seamlessly tie with any kitchen stuff and decoration. Because of this, it makes a great gift for weddings or housewarming. It comprises 1400 watts that have an overall dimension of 16.65 by 14.29 by 9.80 inches, and it weighs 10.36 pounds. Since the Oster brand has been delivering excellence in the market for many years, it's no longer surprising that customers continuously trust their kitchen appliances, including the Oster Convection Toaster Oven. There's no doubt that this is a great appliance to add to any kitchen. Next on the list is the Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven in Charcoal. You can now cook your favorite 9 slices of pizza with this toaster oven, as it's perfectly styled with 5 cooking settings that can allow you versatility in your cooking. Though it's not that big to be on a countertop mainstay, with its great offers, you can assure that everything will be perfectly cooked. The Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven allows you to utilize its 5 functions without a glitch. You can make toast, bake some cookies, warm some food, and even broil anything that you have in the fridge. And because of the special setting where you can toast just the bagel's cut side and warm the round side, you can definitely achieve what you wish for. This great toaster oven has easy-to-use 3 dials that allow you to make easy temperature adjustments, timer, and toast shade. You can choose what setting you prefer to utilize, whether a 30-minute timer or a stay-on setting. It's ideal for batch cooking. It also comprises a ready bell and automatic shutoff feature, making it easy to know if the food is ready to be served. Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven comes with a pan for broiling or baking, and it also offers 2 rack positions that are good to experience enhanced control when reheating or cooking some food. You don't need to worry about cleaning up, because this toaster oven has a removable crumb tray that's suitable for easy cleaning. When you look at this design, the toaster oven from Hamilton Beach offers a silver finish, curved front, and a shiny look to make your kitchen classy. It has assembled dimensions of 13.11 by 16.54 by 9.88 inches. Moreover, Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven can reheat foods 26% faster, and it uses 76% less power, allowing you to save time and money. So, have you already decided what convection toaster oven is best for your kitchen? Well, please stay tuned because we still have 3 more to introduce. And before we proceed to that, if you're new to this channel, then please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss different product reviews on our channel. And if you have thoughts about these products, then please use the comment section below and feel free to share what considerations you have in mind. So let's continue. Next in line is the Oster Extra Large Convection Countertop Oven. It's an exceptionally made and a substantial kitchen tool for such large families. You can freely utilize its featured convection system that extends the heat evenly and consistently around the cooking area. With this offer, you can now cook faster and brown any food perfectly. The extra-large convection countertop oven is an electric countertop oven that can put up icy pizza, roast a whole chicken, bake 14 slices of bread, and make your favorite 13 by 9-inch pan. It has a digitized menu interface that provides an easy selection for cooking options that you need, whether it's baking, broiling, making pizza, toasting, or defrosting. However, you can still use its simple up and down arrow keys to modify and customize the oven's temperature. The electric countertop oven from Oster comes with a removable crumb tray for easy cleaning. It has 5 cooking functions, with 2 rack positions that are ideal for cooking a tall roast. It has a 90-minute timer and features an automatic shutoff so that you can achieve the precise outcome of the food. On its design, Oster countertop oven looks simple, but it's elegant with furry stainless finish and see-through door, providing you the impeccable fitness for your kitchen at home. It has an assembled dimension of 21.20 by 24.20 by 17 inches. Once you take this, you can also get its included durable baking pan to utilize and do more from this oven. Furthermore, suppose you're looking for a convection oven that cooks food more consistently with less cooking processes. In that case, the Oster Extra Large Convection Countertop Oven might be one of the best products on the market that you should try. And if you're looking for a toaster oven with an air fryer at the same time, the Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fryer Oven might be the perfect deal for you. This convection oven is known for its fair fryer and excellent toaster that offers a lot of features and cooking capacity, all in one small countertop footprint. So there's no doubt that it's called an ultimate meal-making machine. Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fryer Oven can give you an all-in-one experience, whether to utilize an air fryer, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, and toast. You can make your favorite 13 slices of pizza with up to 9 slices of toast. And you can also do an air fryer with up to 4 pounds and 75% less fat. It was tested against hand-cut and deep-fried French fries, which assure you that you can cook food confidently. The good thing about the Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fryer Oven is its digital control panel that's easy to read and set up. It also features an automatic 1-minute preheat that won't add cooking time. And if you want to look at the cooking process, this oven features an interior light that lets you see its progress. Once you're done cooking, just simply flip up the side of this air fryer oven and you can now easily clean and conveniently store it against your backsplash. An excellent idea to get 50% less space. And instead of using a towel to open the door, this oven proudly presents its handle on the side so that you don't scald your hand every time you open the stove's door. Additionally, Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fryer Oven has an assembled dimension of 19.72 by 7.56 by 14.96 inches. It even comes with an easy-to-follow guide, a booklet that contains cooking charts and recipes for air frying and dehydrating, and a leaflet with helpful instructions to make a sheet pan meal. We still have one more product to review, and you can finally decide which convection toaster oven you think you should have in your kitchen at home. For more product descriptions and the latest pricing, please take a moment to check the description box below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest videos. So now, let's go straight to the final product. Our last convection oven is the Black & Decker Rotisserie Convection Countertop Toaster Oven. It has a powerful convection heating with a fan that circulates warm air around the oven, making the cooking process faster than ever before and assuring the food cooks more evenly. Plus, its rotisserie features can rotate the meal while the convection heating and cooking feature work. Black & Decker Rotisserie Convection Countertop Toaster Oven has 2 rack positions that give you the versatility in cooking. It features 5 functions for all your cooking needs, all in one countertop: bake, broil, toast, keep warm, and rotisserie. You can cook everything from your favorite pizza, chicken, to 6 slices of bread and so on. This convection oven has overall dimensions of 17.52 by 15.94 by 13.90 inches, which is very convenient to fit along with all the rest of your kitchen appliances. With the removable crumb tray and dishwasher-safe parts, cleaning up makes it easier for you. It has a dedicated toaster timer that allows you to utilize foreseeable shade selection every time you cook your favorite meal. It also offers a 60-minute timer to have a seamless control when cooking and stay-on functionality feature that's ideal for longer cooking preparation. Once you're done cooking and the timer is stopped, this oven will automatically turn off. Black & Decker is considered as a #1 brand in toaster ovens all over the US, way back in 2016 even. And because of the brand's excellence, it is worthy to be trusted. And if you're looking for a convection oven at a cheaper price but has quality performance, then this one is a great option for you. So there you have it, our 5 best convection toaster ovens. It's reasonably hard to choose which toaster oven gives you the best cooking experience that you want. Whether you're looking for top quality or budget friendly, we hope that you found it in our list and got any answers to the thoughts running through your mind in this video. However, if you still have any questions, then feel free to share that in our comments section below to help you. And if you want to know more about the list from today, then take a moment to check the description box. And of course, if you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then kindly click the subscription button and the notification bell, so you're always updated whenever we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you again on the ReviewTube channel.